This is Ulanzi CO62. This is a Go Quick 2 backpack mount for action cameras like GoPros or any other action camera fits that has that same kind of build. Let me just unpack it and we'll throw it on a backpack strap or shoulder strap and just see how it looks. Nothing else here. And this is the Ulanzi Quick Go. Looks really good so far. Let me pull it out of here. And oh, it has a lot of things in here. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's what I've been actually looking for. And you can use it for your phone as well. Yes, that's actually really cool. I love that because they made it possible to either install directly to your camera or your phone. But first, this is the quick mount here, and this stuff goes right around it, and you click this to release. It's Velcro, I believe. Yep, that's what goes around your backpack shoulder strap, and some people put it on a belt. Yeah, that's another installation as well, and it installs really easy. You just plug this in right here. As you see, the button went in and out. Let me just show you a different angle real quick. So just like that, you see the button right there, and you click that button and you rotate like this. Boom. And you can take it out. This is actually really cool. Look at the button. Boom. So now it is locked in again. And in my opinion, this is really cool. Let me take this out really quick and throw a camera. This is just a regular generic action camera, not a GoPro, but it's exactly the same mount. Let me just take it out of here and boom. So now we are ready to throw it on the backpack mount or the Ulanzi mount, just like this. Put the threaded screw here and you are good to go. Look at that. Boom. So you're ready to install it on whatever you want to install it. And the quick release again here, just like we said. And this is absolutely beautiful. I love this thing. It's really, really cool. And you can take this out if you want to twist it, for example, as you see, because this will be in your strap. Let me put the bag here. Why am I talking too much? Okay, here's a backpack that needs some washing, but let's not talk about those things. Let me take this out real quick and install it on the backpack itself, just like that. And the other side just folds in there and boom, you have it on your backpack now. And the camera just goes in here, as you see, those two right in there like this. Boom. Now you have a action camera or GoPro, whatever you have installed here. And as I said, if you want to rotate it the other direction, just pull a little bit. As you see, it lifts up and it goes back in on the other direction. So you can record different ways if you like it. So just put it back here and it will stay like this in your shoulder. This is really beautiful and very versatile. Let me take this out and put the phone mount. Yeah, you can actually place your phone just in case, for example, you don't have a GoPro. I don't have a GoPro right here, so that's a perfect example. Put this right here, and this gets really tight. Let me put a phone real quick. And this is just a regular Pixel. Pull it up like that. Boom. Now you have a phone going on here. This is beautiful. And if you want to film vertical, just pull it like I told you. Pull up a little bit. Boom. And the phone goes sideways. Isn't that cool? Really? So you have a camera mount with you at any time you need it. And you can leave it on your backpack that you might use, I don't know, daily or weekly or however you use it. And you can use the same exact mounts to put back the GoPro. Just like that. And you can switch it for the GoPro. Look. Boom. That's all it takes. And you are ready to go. Boom. Put it aside, lift, and your GoPro is ready to go record some action. Isn't that cool? Seriously, I always wanted one of these. Not that I do any vlogging. This is paint, by the way, not what you're thinking. Not paint, but it was like a cleaner that actually spilled here, and it took the color away. So it is what it is. But yeah, this is my camera gear backpack, and a lot of times I would love to have a GoPro or something just standing by, and now we have it possible with this Ulanzi. This is a CO62 again, Go Quick 2 backpack mount. So in my opinion, it's worth every single penny that it costs, which is actually not a lot. So just go get yourself one. I highly suggest it. It's actually really, really good quality.